Welcome to Mindjoy. Today topic is how to search job in IT industry. Choose your role first. Don't search randomly. Decide what fits you best. In developer, Python or Java, full stack, front-end, backend, anything. In data, data analyst, data engineer, data science, etc. If you choose cloud and DevOps, then go with AWS, Docker, CI/CD, then testing, manual testing or automation. Once you clear, your job search becomes 10x easier. Step 2. Create a strong resume and LinkedIn profile. Keep your resume in one page, clean and project focused. Even mention skills, GitHub links and small projects too. Optimize your LinkedIn headline like Python full stack developer, Django, React. Step 3. Search on the right platforms. Here, top trusted job sites for IT. LinkedIn jobs, it's best for tech and startup. Naukri.com, Indeed, HireTap, and etc. Try to use keywords like Python developer fresher Hyderabad, data analyst intern remote. Step 4. Be ready with your projects. Recruiters love practical skills. At least build 2 or 3 small projects. Portfolio, Django React mini app, data dashboard with Python or Power BI. Post them in LinkedIn with short description. It boosts your profile. Step 5. Prepare for interviews. Focus on core concepts like Python, HTML and CSS, JavaScript and SQL. Problem solving, basic DSCL and communication skills. You have to explain your project clearly. Try to practice with ChatGPT mock interview and using free websites like InterviewBit, etc. And finally, keep applying jobs daily. Customize your resume for each role and message HRs politely on LinkedIn. I have mentioned few templates in description. Check it out. Please follow for more updates.